Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to have pivot controls using React 3 Fiber. So firstly I have created a basic React application using Vite, but you can use any React framework whatever you feel like. So what I mean by pivot controls here, if you see for this particular sphere, I have this particular thing which I am able to move my sphere. This is called as pivot controls. So yeah, that's what we will be looking into. I can move it however I feel like. I can move it up, I can move it on the sideways however I feel like. So yeah, this is what pivot controls is. So basically inside my package.json I have installed React 3 Dray, React 3 Fiber. You can ignore these two dependencies for now. React and React DOM was automatically installed when I created the Vite application, and I have also installed the 3 dependency, and here I am using type/3 because I am using TypeScript. Then inside app.tsx I have just imported canvas from React 3 Fiber, and I have created this experience React component. So if you see over here, basically I have imported pivot controls from React 3 Fiber Dray, and then I have just created this cube ref and sphere ref. This is not really important, this is just for rotation of my cube ref. Here I have created orbit controls. This is our directional light. Now for this particular sphere geometry I want the pivot controls, so you can just wrap this mesh inside a pivot controls, set it some anchor, set it some depth test equal to false, line width equal to 4, axis color I have set something, and scale I have set something. So you can change this value to whatever you feel like. I have made the orbit controls as default so that the orbit controls does not affect our pivot controls and vice versa. And this is our cube mesh, and this is our plane geometry. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.